Machine learning didn't start with big tech companies. It started with chessboards, game theory, and a wild dream that machines could think. Let's take a quick time travel from the 1950s to today's AI explosions. 1950s. Alan Turing posed the question, can machines think? 1980s. Symbolic AI and expert systems tried to hardcode intelligence. 90s. IBM's Deep Blue beat chess champion Garry Kasparov. 2000s. Neural networks exploded, leading to AlphaGo and deep learning. Today, GPT, autonomous cars, real time translation, and more. These breakthroughs didn't happen overnight. But today, you stand on the shoulders of these giants and you get to build from here. You're not late to the game, you're right on time. Let's go build what's next. Not all ML is the same. Some learns from labels, some finds patterns, and some learns by trial and error, like a kid learning to ride a bike. Before we dive deep, you need to know the four key families of machine learning. Supervised learning, labeled data. You train your model on known answers, spam, not spam. Unsupervised learning, no labels. The model finds structure, clustering customers. Reinforcement learning, agents learn by rewards and punishments. Game AI, robotics. Semi-self-supervised learning, leverage unlabeled data with clever techniques, used in GPT, BERT. Each paradigm solves different types of problems, and knowing when to use which is your first real superpower. You don't need to know everything. You need to understand the difference. That's where confidence begins.